Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's time for another edition of EZ Cantonese. We have episode 2 of Hong Kong trivia, and if you like learning about Hong Kong culture, give this video a like. And what's special about this episode is that we actually have two EZ Cantonese fans gonna battle it out. They're a married couple, so it's gonna be husband versus wife. They've been married for a bit over a year, and they've been living in Hong Kong. We're gonna find out who is smarter when it comes to Hong Kong trivia, Hong Kong culture, and etiquette. Let's find out right now. All right, what's going on, everybody? This is EZ Cantonese Hong Kong Trivia, episode 2. Today, or whatever, tonight, wherever you are. Actually, I'm in Vancouver, and these two, it's going to be husband versus wife. We're going to see who is more knowledgeable about Hong Kong trivia. They're in Hong Kong. I'm in the Vancouver area in Canada. So there's a big time difference. It's kind of dark over here. So we have the husband, Omar, going to be taking on Rain. How are you guys doing?
I'm okay.
I'm good.
Just woke up.
I just woke up over there. Yeah, it's about 10 a.m. over there. It's about 7-ish p.m. where I am, about the time when we're taping this. So it's going to be Omar versus Rain. How long you guys been married for?
Ooh, a year and a half about. Yeah.
Well, luckily
Rain,
this is not...
You're not answering?
Yeah.
She doesn't know. Hopefully this is not one of those, when you get married, those couples trivia. So this is like Hong Kong trivia. So you viewers out there, you can play along if you like. So we're gonna get it started. You guys ready?
Yeah,
Ready.
let's go.
And that's baby Luke, by the way. So yeah, I forgot to introduce him.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna share the
Hello.
screen. Hello, Luke. All right, I'm gonna share the screen. Hopefully I didn't mess this up. Share. All right, can you guys see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Rain, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. First question. You guys have your letters ready? The answer letters?
Yes.
Okay. So there's 10 questions, by the way, okay? So let's see who's more knowledgeable about Hong Kong, the husband, Omar, or the wife, Rain, okay? So number one,
Okay.
what days and time does the TST which is, right, of course, if
Yes.
you watch my show, TST Laser Show come on? Do you guys know anything about the laser show?
Yeah, I've seen it, but I can't remember what days I went and saw it.
Okay, so luckily it's multiple choice. Don't show your answers yet.
Oh,
Okay? You guys will
look.
show it together, okay? So don't show your answers yet, so there's no following the answers, right? Okay. So
Oh.
A is Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. B, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and holidays, 8 p.m. C, usually every day at 8 p.m. or D, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and holidays at 9 p.m. So let me know when you guys are ready, and we'll reveal. You guys got
I'm
the
ready.
answer?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's reveal it. What's the answer? What time and date does the laser show come on? Okay, Rain, you gotta reveal it.
Rain.
B.
B.
Oh.
Actually, I forgot to tally from my pen, but unfortunately, that is incorrect. The correct
Oh.
answer. The correct answer is actually C. Is usually on every day at 8.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was a weekend thing.
No, it's every day. Well, I do say usually because when it's really bad weather, it doesn't go on.
Mm.
But
Oh,
yes, the
I didn't know.
answer is C. Unless it changed recently, but I'm pretty sure it's C. All right, maybe I screwed that one up. But anyways, you guys got the same answer, so it's still tied right now, 0-0. Next one. Hold on a second. There it is. Okay, number 2. There is a famous restaurant at the Peak inspired by which TV or movie? So don't reveal it yet, okay? So A, Bubba Gump Shrimp. B, the Friends Coffee Shop. C, Disney Cafe. Or D, Hello Kitty Restaurant.
I don't know this one.
Let me know when you guys are ready.
I'm
We'll reveal
ready.
at the same time. Don't sell yourself short yet, right? Just you might get it. You might guess. Don't show it yet. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, reveal. A
Bubba
and
Gump.
A. There you go. You guys think alike. A
go,
is correct.
We go there. Remember Bubba Gump? I took a picture
Oh,
by the
yeah?
Clown College.
Oh yeah, I've been there. I think once or twice. Yeah, I was there a while ago. It's still open, I believe. And yeah, Bubba Gump shrimp inspired by the movie Forrest Gump. So you guys got it right. Right now it's 1-1. Hopefully I keep count in my head.
Yay!
Good job. Okay, next one. Number 3. Where is the Wax Museum located in Hong Kong? That is. So A, New Territories, B, Shenzhen, C, The Peak, or D, Mong Kok?
We're planning on going there for next week.
In Cantonese,
So-
Mong Kok. Well, you guys better know this one then.
Yeah,
Else
we
you're
have
gonna
to.
go somewhere.
We've been planning on going there.
Okay, it should be easy then. Okay, let's reveal.
Okay.
Hard to see. Can you move it up more to the screen? Yeah. Okay, both got C. Yeah, that is correct. The
Yay!
Wax Museum is at the Peak, of course. Open for quite a while now. I think like maybe close to 20 years. So of course it's not in New Territories. Shenzhen is technically not in Hong Kong. And yeah, of course the answer is the Peak. Yeah, I've been there once, so it's quite the adventure there. Anyways, next question. So far tied 2-2. You guys are thinking alike. Okay. So number 4, there is a T10 warning. What should you do? So A, you are fine, just do whatever. B is strong rain, bring an umbrella when you go out. C, T10, which means tea time. Or D, stay home. So what should you do during a T10 warning? You guys better get this right because you have a child. So hopefully you get this right. If not, well, at least you learn. Yeah, at least you'll learn. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, reveal.
Yes.
D, there you go. Good job.
Yeah, we always have to stay home.
Stay home. I mean, you
Stay home.
mentioned you've been in Hong Kong for a year. I don't know. Has there been a T10 this past year?
Yeah, I'm actually going on my 4th year here.
A 4th year. Okay, I thought you.
Yeah, my wife's been here, I think 6 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I thought you guys were married 1 year. Sorry, I remembered.
Yeah,
wrong.
we met here. Like our baby was born here, so it's kind of
All good. So yeah, T10 is obviously very dangerous. It's when there's basically a hurricane or a typhoon, like it's really bad. So obviously do not go outside. Some people still go outside if you watch the news. And yeah, T10 is not tea time. It's rather dangerous. Things do fly in the air and stuff. So make sure you stay home if you ever see a T10.
Yeah.
Right. Good job. It's 3-3. 3-3, I believe. Tie game still. Number 5. Okay, that should be an easy one if you guys live in Hong Kong for that long. What MTR line is Mong Kok Station on?
Mong Kok Station.
So A.
Oh, you know this one.
The Kwun Tong line, the green line. B, Chin Wan line, which is red line. C, Island line is blue, the blue line. Or D, the answers A and B. So it'll be the green and the red line. Which line is which MTR line is Mong Kok?
We should know this. We go there all the time.
All right, you guys know it. Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, let's reveal. This might be a different answer for once. D and B. So technically, the best answer is D. So it's on both lines.
We go through both lines together.
I
I'm
don't
pretty
remember.
sure. Because we go to Kwan, what is it? Kowloon Tong. To eat those noodles.
So there you go. Plus you also switch. Is it Monk? Actually, maybe you don't switch there. Yeah, like yeah, it's on both the green line and the red line. So
yeah.
Now you know. So I forgot to mention we go for the best answer. So technically, Rain's still right, but then Omar is more right. So now Omar leading 4-3.
Oh man.
Oh, good job. You better catch up, Rain. All right, 5 more questions. Next one. A little etiquette here. If you are on an escalator and you don't want to walk or move, what side do you go on? So say you're on the MTR in the mall. If you're on an escalator, yeah, you don't want to move. Which side is it? A, left. B, right, C, middle, or D, none of the above? Guys know this one?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's reveal.
Okay.
B, there you go. That is correct. So if you don't want to move, make sure you stay on the right side. If you want to, kind of like driving in Canada and in America, like, yeah, the fast lane's on the left side, right? So if you want to move, go on the left side. Basically, you have to walk up, keep walking. And if
Did
you don't
Brian
want
get
to move,
this right?
go on the right side. All right, so
You got this
5-4
right?
now, right? Yeah, she got it
Okay,
right.
good.
All right, good job. 5-4, Omar in the lead. Number 7. What color is the $20 Hong Kong bill?
Don't look at me.
Don't go reaching in your wallets, okay? No
Don't look
cheating
at
here.
me. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm not telling you.
A, red, B, green, C, blue, or D, purple. $20 Hong Kong bill, what color is it? You guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, reveal. It is C, that's right. Blue. There you go. Good job. $20 bill. Yeah, red is the $100 bill, green is $50, and purple bill is the $10. $10 also comes in a coin. Good job. So 6-5. Omar still in the lead. Exciting. You gotta catch up.
Oh.
Hopefully Omar gets the next one wrong. All right.
Hey.
Bit of a Canadian question for me. Number 8. Are there ice rinks in Hong Kong? So A, none. So there's no ice rinks in Hong Kong. B, just 1. C, just 2. Or D, more than 2. You guys have an answer?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready? Okay, let's reveal. D and D. Okay, you guys got it right. You guys go skating a lot, or?
No, I go
Play
skating. She doesn't skate.
That's right. Actually, surprisingly, when I was in Hong Kong, yeah, there's like quite a few ice rinks, like Kowloon Tong, Elements, Mega Box, Tai Koo, and yeah, even in at least where I live, like during the summertime, ice rinks actually close. They don't put the ice on. But in Hong Kong, you can skate 365 days a year. It's usually always open. So a bit of Hong Kong tourism knowledge there. All right, so it's 6-5. Okay, next one. 2 more questions left. Almost done. A bit harder now, okay? So there is a famous Buddah Monastery near Sha Tin. What is the reason for it being famous? So this is in the Sha Tin one, okay? So A, they have the biggest Buddha statue in Hong Kong. B, they have the second biggest Buddha statue in Hong Kong. C, they have 1,000 Buddha statues, or D, they have 10,000 Buddha statues. You guys know this one?
Yeah, this one's
We
easy.
do? Oh, I thought it was like, it'd be harder.
No, we've gone there. We go there like every 3 months, 6 months, somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, okay, I guess it'll be too easy then. Okay, what's the answer? Reveal, yes, of course, it's D. So the biggest Buddha statue, of course, is at Lantau Island, was it? Yeah, Lantau Island.
Yeah.
And yeah, basically there's a Buddah Monastery in Sha Tin. It's quite a hike actually. It's famous because it's called the 10,000 Buddha statues. In Cantonese, it's called Man Fat Ji. So it's near Sha Tin. So if you ever like a good hike, or you're part of the Buddha culture, Buddhism culture, you can go check it out. Okay, so now Omar, you're almost there. 7-6, I believe, if my count is correct. Leading by 1, anyways. I lost count. Okay, hopefully you can at least tie this up, Rain. Last question. Kind of forgot what this question is. Okay, here we go. Another bit of a etiquette question. So you are at a Chinese restaurant. You want more tea. There is a full teapot basically on the table. What do you do? So A, you get the waiter to pour it. B, you pour it yourself. C, you pour it for others first, then pour it for yourself. Or D, whoever's the youngest is responsible for pouring, which would be Luke, I guess. All right, last question. Easy one, or you guys know it, or
no?
I don't know.
Rain, this is your chance, Rain. You can think about this one. Think about this one hard, okay? Okay, you guys ready? All right,
Yeah.
this the chance to tie it up. Omar doesn't know apparently. Okay, ready? Let's reveal.
Okay.
All right. I'm going with C.
See, you both got it right.
Whoa. I
Good
wasn't
guess,
sure. I
though.
was just
Good
going off of
guess.
Fernando's family.
Yeah, actually, that's something my family taught me. Yeah, like one time I poured tea to myself, and I was like, no, don't do that. So of course, Chinese culture is very courteous to the others, and so if you want tea, even though your tea's empty, you gotta pour it for other people first, and then you can pour it yourself last. Okay, so make sure you guys do that if you're
Now I
dim
know.
sum or yum cha, or or whatever lunch and stuff. Okay, so there you go, Omar, you win. Yeah.
All right. By this little hair. of
By
my chin
1 point,
chin.
as
All right.
was it 8-7 or whatever it is? Okay, I lost count. By 1 point, you defeated. You're aware. Let me stop sharing. Let me see. Is this button here? My light is kind of blocking it.
I'll pick him up.
All right, folks. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching the second episode of Hong Kong Trivia, and thank you, Omar and Rain, for joining us here today for Hong Kong Trivia. You guys had fun?
Yeah, it was fun. Thank you.
All right, thank you to big fans of EZ Cantonese. Thank you very much. I appreciate the support, and I appreciate all the support of you fans out there. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. See you guys.
Okay. Bye-bye.